Thousands of Somalis took to the streets to celebrate their new president. Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo was sworn in at a former airbase in the capital, Mogadishu, under tight security. The former prime minister was chosen by lawmakers from the upper and lower houses of parliament in a second-round vote. But the election was tainted by corruption allegations, with reports of votes being sold for up to $30,000 each. Somalia is facing continued attacks from the Shabab militant group as it recovers from 2 decades of civil war. Here's an excerpt from President Farmajo's speech.
The position of president is not easy, and there is a daunting task ahead of me. I know that, but I will work hard to make sure to realize your dreams.
From Mogadishu, France 24's Duncan Woodside reports.
Somalis here in the capital, Mogadishu, and indeed across the country have woken up this morning to a new president, Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo, taking over the reins of power yesterday, of course, from Hassan Sheikh Mohamud. Now, this is quite a momentous 24 hours or so. This is the second consecutive peaceful transfer of power, it seems, between 2 presidents in Somalia within the space of just over 4.5 years. That's quite some achievement for a country which has been one of the biggest failed states in the world over the last quarter of a century. Now, the new president, Farmajo, comes into office with some experience of government. He was briefly prime minister for 8 months between 2010 and 2011 before falling out with the then Speaker of Parliament and the then President. He faces massive challenges as he comes into office: endemic corruption, an ongoing insurgency by Islamic extremist group Al-Shabaab, and also warnings of famine by various UN agencies over the past couple of weeks.